Welcome back to MacPhee Ford. Today we're taking a look at this 2020 Ford F-150 XLT. This XLT has a remote entry keypad on the outside. You've got blind spot mirrors, power window controls, you've got a leather armrest on the interior here, cloth seating, manual operated with a third row bench seat. You got your infotainment screen here. Heads-up display at the front of the dashboard. Main menu consists of trip and fuel, driver's assist, with tire pressure, transmission temperatures, and various vehicle settings with my key and display setup. Cruise control is on the left here, hands-free is on the right. Traction control, four-way flashes, and auto start-stop. You've got a Sync 3 sound system with built-in 4G hotspot, truck settings, Ford Pass Connect, many other features. Locking differential with 2 high, 4 high, and 4 low. Your climate controls, below that is 2 USB ports. A 12 volt outlet just over there. Center console here, you've got your center console, and you have an extra passenger. Folds up for a seat. Folds back down when you don't need anyone. Taking a look towards the back of this F-150, you've got a chrome rear bumper, rear view camera right below the tailgate latch. You've got your truck bed, the option to put a drop-in or a spray-in bed liner back here. Taking a look to the back seat, you've got cloth rear seating. Rear seats do fold up for extra storage. Center console for the rear seating here, you've got a 12 volt outlet. You also got 2 cup holders that fold down onto the floor. Lots of leg room back here. You've got a dome light up top, a hook to hang any clothing or bags you might need to. And then back to the front, you've got a chrome front bumper with halogen headlights and fog lights, chrome grille, you've got tow hooks and a plow hookup accessory. All around a great truck. So come on over to MacPhee Ford today and talk to a sales advisor about getting you into this F-150. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in our next video.